Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell P75F. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell P75F battery won't charge, you're not alone. This can occur for a variety of reasons, such as a faulty battery, a malfunctioning charging port, or issues with the power adapter. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications, rendering your laptop unusable and potentially leading to data loss. To resolve this issue, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically designed for the Dell P75F. Start by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from the mains. Make sure to remove any external devices connected to the laptop. Next, carefully flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, gently remove these screws and place them in a safe location. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back panel. Take your time as you do this to avoid damaging the clips. Inside, you will find the battery. It is usually marked and easy to identify. Check the connection to ensure it is secure. If it appears loose or damaged, you may need to disconnect it. To do this, gently pull on the connector while making sure not to pull on the wires themselves. Make a note of how the battery is situated, including the orientation of any screws holding it in place. Remove the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, and be cautious not to apply too much force. Once the screws are out, carefully lift the battery out of its compartment. With the old battery removed, take your new replacement battery and position it in the same orientation as the old one. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring it is firmly seated. Before reassembling the back panel, double-check that all components are in their proper places and that nothing is left disconnected. Carefully align the back panel and press it down until the clips snap into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the panel, ensuring they are tight but not overly so, to avoid stripping the holes. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To help prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you use a compatible charger and avoid exposing your laptop to extreme temperatures. Regularly check the battery health in your system settings and consider replacing the battery if it shows signs of wear. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.